Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoyang.
I'm Cassie.
Today we will take you to visit the global headquarters of Sunward, the world's top 50 engineering machinery manufacturer, Sunward Industrial City. With a planning area of 284.17 acres, Sunward Industrial City has successfully researched and developed products of more than 200 specifications and models in more than 10 fields, such as underground engineering equipment, whole series excavators, modern rock drilling equipment, special equipment, mining equipment, oil steam machinery, hydraulic components, and general aviation equipment, and exported them in batches to more than 100 countries and regions around the world. The Sunward trademark has been registered in dozens of countries around the world.
Now we're at Sunward Technology Center, which is an enterprise technology center recognized by the state. At present, the center has more than 1,000 full-time R&D personnel. Among them, nearly 40% is doctors and masters, including more than 10 experts, doctoral supervisors, and postdoctors who enjoy state council subsidies. The center has 22 research institutes, as well as European R&D Center and North American R&D Center.
The industrial city has a comprehensive test and commissioning field of nearly 50,000 square meters, and more than 40 units of various key test and testing equipments, facilities such as CNAS approved CAP, Forbes Performance Laboratory, high-end hydraulic components and complex system test beds, which can be used to carry out functional verification, performance evaluation, and working condition simulation test projects for the company's whole series products, providing strong test support for the company's products in terms of various performance indicators, functionality, reliability, comfort, and safety, etc., and more advanced conditions for testing equipment before leaving the plant. Pilot innovation is the core advantage of Sunward from beginning to the end. It is with the strong support of a technical team that Sunward leads the industry development in internationalization and greenization, etc. And Sunward has developed many products with independent intellectual property rights and core competitiveness.
The plant of 198 acres and workshops of 400,000 square meters in the industrial city have been completed. Garden-style plant, clean and tidy workshops, and intelligent production lines enable workers to carry out production operation in a safe and comfortable environment. The entire manufacturing system covers manufacturing from engineering equipment, special equipment, aviation equipment, hose and parts, with a monthly production capacity of 3,000 sets. The company has established different production modes and intelligent production lines for different products, and uses intelligent equipment in the manufacturing process to achieve automation and unmanning in the production process. At present, the company has built 10 intelligent production lines, completed the domestic leading intelligent blanking center, launched 96 welding robots and 43 CNC machining centers. The company has also promoted the MES system to realize the production plan, decomposition and execution management, completed the intelligent three-dimensional warehouses and the WMS system to manage the intelligent three-dimensional warehouse, realizing automatic storage and delivery of products from storage, ranking and taking down within 3 minutes, which greatly accelerates production efficiency and quality, can increase production capacity more quickly, and provide products to customers more quickly. The company has introduced the SCADA system to to realize the visualization of equipment operation status, built an energy management system for real-time monitoring, statistical analysis, and digital management of the energy consumption of 351 critical and high-energy consuming equipment in the park, collected and managed energy data for each equipment to achieve energy conservation and environment protection.
The company adopts the industry-leading overall intelligent cathodic electrophoresis line in the production link, a superior electrophoresis process and 14 procedures to ensure that the anti-corrosion performance of products can reach international industry standards and to greatly improve the service life of product components. It has an internationally advanced water paint coating line, which is China's first full automatic powder spraying production line for large-scale structure parts, with an automatic spraying rate of over 90%, a powder paint utilization rate of nearly 100%, and a reduction of VOC emission by 80%. It's the first in the industry to realize the reciprocating robot powder spraying process, which greatly reduces the impact of coating on the plant environment and truly achieves green production. We have passed the International Quality Management System certifications, and we have been elaborately manufacturing user-friendly, useful, durable, and practical high-quality equipment. The company has a well-equipped metering room and various metering establishment standard certificates, as well as a series of high-precision testing equipment, such as a mental material, chemical composition spectrum analyzer, a complete set of mechanical property equipment, laying a solid quality foundation. It also has a number of international brands, such as CAT, strictly implements of the GBT 19580, excellent performance management model, has more than 10 inspection procedures from key components to the complete machine, and adopts a full range of regular inspections to ensure that the performance indicators of the products are better than industry standards. There are also 4 procedures for the whole machine before shipped to ensure that the zero defect products are delivered to the customer in time.
As a supply station for aftermarket, the Global Service Center Parts Warehouse has an oversized storage space of 20,000 square meters, a spare parts inventory of more than 100 million yuan, and more than 20,000 cans of accessories. Cover a whole series after-sales accessories, which ensures a quick response to a demand for emergency parts at home and abroad within 4 hours, and efficiently meets the supply of aftermarket parts. Super high 3-dimensional intelligent warehouse with intelligent warehouse management system and goods classification system effectively improves work efficiency and accuracy. The parts warehouse adopts a convenient information method from DMS and APC customer terminals to WMS warehouse management system, and then to TMS logistic management system, and established an efficient and accurate supply system to effectively guarantee after-sales service. At present, Sunward's overseas after-sales service team has more than 100 employees, and the headquarters service platform awaits orders for 24 hours to ensure that service issues of countries in various time zones can be handled in a timely manner, so as to better provide timely service and technical support to global customers.
The Sunward Industry City Phase 3 is being constructed in full swing. It's expected that Sunward Industry City will achieve a yearly output value of more than 20 billion yuan in 2022. Phase 3 project is constructed centering on high-end negative electric materials, super large excavators, emergency rescue equipments, etc. In the future, these 3 features will become the strong growth points of Sunward and a key link in the strategic layout of Sunward, which will greatly alleviate the previous capacity bottleneck caused by limited space and shorten the delivery cycle of products. The company upholds the concept of creating venues for customers.
In the future, Sunward will continue to exploit its advantage in independent innovation, continually launch products with world influence, and become a world-class manufacturing company.
Okay, that's all for today's Factory Visiting Online. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you soon in Sunward. Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.